Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is George, and this is Maple. And we moved into our new build property about 2 years ago, and we didn't really know where to start, so we decided to use My Bespoke Room's interior design service. We had tons of issues with the new house.
Yeah, I think my biggest problem was to do with layout and colour scheme.
Yeah, we did try to do it ourselves in the flat, but we just couldn't implement it.
When you first brought the idea to me of going through this process of getting an interior designer and getting the house, I was a bit sceptical. Is it going to be worth it? How much is it going to cost? How much time is it going to take? All of these sort of things. Turned out the process was really easy. Definitely very cost effective. We've done a much better job than we ever could have done ourselves. So overall, I'm glad we did it. So I think the best thing for me about it was the layout. So this room specifically, there was no real clear place where we're going to put the TV or where we're going to put the sofa or how we're going to sit. Rosie gave us, I think it was 2 or 3 different options, and we could sort of actually sit in the room and visualise, right, this is where we'd be sat every night, this is what we'd be doing, and then eventually we chose the one we've got now.
So when we got the first design for the living room, I was completely blown away, actually. I wasn't, for some reason, expecting to, because we discussed every element. I thought I knew what I'd be expecting, but it was just everything that I'd thought of, envisioned, and everything that you'd thought of put together.
Yeah, so I think another part of it that was really helpful for me was, but then we have a big long list of all the things we need to actually buy and the different options that we were given as well. And you don't have to worry about, is that going to fit? Is it going to go there? Because it's all going to fit. It's just purely how it looks.
It was great having everything arrive to the house sort of all at the same time, really. But slowly but surely, everything sort of came together. And it suddenly was like the final piece of the puzzle, I think, was actually the coffee table. And it was like, this is actually home. It was really quick. We were able to implement it once we got the design through. And we're both visual people. The second we saw the 2D visual, everything clicked into place.
Yeah.